Hi everyone, it's Alicia with Pretty Much Me, and I wanted to do another brioche demonstration with the Liguria hat pattern. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback. People really like this hat a lot, so I thought I would show you an entire round and what that looks like. So that means you'll get the regular brioche knitting technique practice in. You'll also learn how to do a right leaning decrease in brioche, and you'll learn how to do a brioche increase stitch. So the first direction in the pattern in your main color is to brioche knit your first stitch, which I already did here in the cream color, and then you're going to bring your yarn to the front and slip your next stitch. Okay, so this is a brioche knit, slip one, yarn over. The next direction here, this is round 6 with the main color that I'm working. It's going to be a right leaning decrease. So I'm going to slip this next stitch together with its wrap, and I'm going to knit this brown purl stitch. I'm going to pass over the stitch that I had just slipped with its wrap. I'm going to take this stitch, slide it over to the left needle, and then slip the next stitch and its wrap over top. So that decrease involves 3 stitches, and it gets you down here to this just one. Then you bring your yarn to the front, you slip your next stitch, and you've worked a brioche knit with a yarn over. Here we have a brioche knit, slip one yarn over, right leaning decrease, slip one yarn over. The next direction is a brioche knit and slip one. And then after that, we're going to work an increase, and an increase looks like this. The directions read BRKYO, BRK, so brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit. Keep your yarn to the front, slip that stitch first, and you go into the stitch and its wrap. You knit it, but do not remove it from your left needle. You yarn over, and then you knit into it again. So now you've increased. So what you've done, the stitches you decreased when you did your right leaning decrease, you've now made up for on the other side and done that and increased by the 2 that you lost when you did your decrease. The next direction, we'd slip one yarn over, and then you're going to brioche knit, slip one yarn over 2 more times. All right, so what we've done so far, we did a brioche knit, slip one yarn over, we did a right leaning decrease, we did a slip one yarn over, we did one brioche knit with a slip one yarn over, then we did our increase, brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit, and then we did 2 additional brioche knits with their slipped one yarn over. I'll work that repeat again. Looks like this. Brioche knit, slip one yarn over. Now we need to do our right leaning decrease. We're going to slip that stitch, knit into the purl. We're going to pass our slip stitch in its wrap over top. We're going to bring that stitch over, and off of our left needle we're going to pass this one over. Make sure you pass the wrap too. And then we're going to move our yarn to the front, slip one. So we just did our right leaning decrease. After that, it's a single brioche knit with a slip one yarn over. And then after that, we need to work that increase. So brioche knit, don't take it off of your left-handed needle. We're going to yarn over into it again. And we come up with our brioche knit, yarn over, brioche knit, slip one yarn over, and we go back and we do brioche knit, slip one yarn over, brioche knit, slip one, and then yarn over. So you continue like that all the way around, and that's what gives you this beautiful pattern. And again, it's a Liguria pattern, a beautiful hat, and really quick and easy to make. It's a great intro to brioche pattern. You can check out my other videos on Pretty Much Me. They show you how to set up brioche and how to work the general stitches which you need for the beginning of this pattern. The first 10 rounds are all just basic brioche, and then you get into the shaping after that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to me on YouTube, Pretty Much Me, and check me out online. Thanks so much and have a great day.